Hello beautiful souls, I'm Nina. Welcome to day 2 of the 7-day flat belly challenge. Today we're going to focus on core strength and foundation, building up a solid base for a more defined abs. You can also use this video or any other videos of this program as a core activation before your regular workouts. Don't forget to tag me your progress. Are you ready? Let's go.
Let's start by laying down on your mat. Bend your knees. We're going to do some thread needle crunches. So extend your arm and put your palms together and do some sit-ups. You don't have to lift yourself very high, just focus on your upper abs. Inhale down and exhale up. Good job. Now let's work on our lower abs. Lay back down, arms next to our body, lower backs to the floor. Let's work on our leg rises. Lift your legs to 90 degrees. Lower them with control. Don't let them touch the floor if you can. Workout, try to glue your lower back to the floor at all times. If you're having trouble, lower your legs too close to the floor. Just do your best. Control is the key. Now let's turn around and start with a plank position. We are going to do a slow mountain climber. So you don't need to run, just do a walk. Keep your balance and pace. Feel your lower abs working. Let's get to a seated position with our legs bent. We are going to work on our obliques muscle with Russian twist. There's two versions. The easier one, you can keep your legs on the mat like I'm doing right now. If you want to challenge yourself, lift them up while keep your balance. Do whatever feels good for you today. Let's lay back on our mat, keep our legs bent. We are going to do some reverse crunch. Lift your legs up until your lower back slightly off the floor and lower them down with control. Your arms to push away from the floor. The power of this movement comes from your core. Control your movements the whole time, even when coming down. Let's turn to face our mat and hold a high plank. Hands and feet shoulders apart. Do not lift or sink your hip. Keep your core tight and focus on your breathing. Slowly get down from the high plank. Let's turn to our side. We are going to do a side elbow plank dip. For this version, we are going to put one foot in front of the other, but feel free to challenge yourself by stacking one foot on the other one for a more intense workout. Nice work! Let's switch to the other side. You know what's coming next. Keep your elbow underneath your shoulder will make everything easier and safer. Maintain your own pace. Remember, you're doing this for yourself. You just have to do what feels good for you today. Now let's lay back on the mat. Yesterday we did slow bicycle crunch. Today we're going to work on a normal bicycle crunch. We are slowly ramping up the speed and getting stronger little by little every day. Keep breathing. Feel your abs working for you. Let's lay down and extend our legs. We're going to finish today's session with flutter kicks. Our leg from the floor and alternating our legs to kick up. Keep your legs closer to the floor if you like a challenge, or feel free to lift your leg higher. The more important thing is to attach your lower back to the floor. We are almost there, guys. Keep breathing. Nice job, guys. You did it again on day 2. Let's cool down together, starting with a well-deserved child pose. Take a few long and deep breaths. Now get to our cobra. Hands next to your chest. Use your back muscle to lift your upper body up. Feel free to straighten your arm or keep them bent, as long as you're getting a nice stretch for your abs. Get to a tabletop position and let's do some spine rolls. Feel free to add in your hips, your shoulder, even your head. Switch direction. Nice job, you guys. I will see you tomorrow.